Jasper AI book writing. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. So we are going to use Jasper to create an ebook. So this is a common feature, also a most researched feature that will be here known for Jasper to provide this service. So what are we going to do is to head over jasper.ai, and then from the tools you're going to see that we have the ebook creator. So we are going to get here the option to explore the tool. So basically you are going to log in or sign up for a free trial. And then what we're going to do is to get up here everything. So we are going basically here to get the ebook creator. So we are going to head over Jasper. As you can see, I am on my dashboard. So we can go ahead and see that we are on the free trial that will be here extended for 7 days. It will not take a cent from your account. It is going to hold $1. Then it will return it to your wallet. Then you are going to get a either a monthly or a annually subscription. So I'm going to head over here. We have the dashboard. So what are we going to do? So as you can see, we have the featured categories, the featured app, the popular app on the dashboard. So for the content, it is going to be empty because this is a new account. If you are going to click on create content, you are going basically to get this page. Normally it is going to be a blank page, and then you are going to start writing. So here, basically this platform is going to be based on AI. The AI tool will let you do whatever you want. For example, you can generate the social media keywords, or let's say here SEO keywords. You can use Jasper for creating or content for marketing, product marketing, for example, slogans, creative brief. For example, you can go ahead and write in a white paper outline, as you can see. Also, you can create some, let's say, ad campaigns to target more for specific audiences and also more cohesive digital ads, etc. Also, you can create a blog post, product description, Facebook post, or social media post, create landing pages, content rewriting, and etc. So this is a very magnificent tool or platform to use the AI whatever or however you want, which will generate, for those who does know well how to use the AI, to generate here tons and tons of profits. So aside from that, we are on the platform. What are we going to do? So basically, I'm going to see here that we have the marketing function. We have the content type. As you can see, we have the social media, strategy planning, website. We have the funnel stage, and we have the content process. So you can go ahead and click on creating content, and then you are going basically to see the recommended ones. So here, what I am going to do is to search for ebooks. So let's see if we have the ebook in here. So here we have ebook outline. So we are going to develop a comprehensive ebook outline to strategically structure content. So you can go ahead and click on this. Then you are going to see the outline of the ebook. You can go ahead and set up the brand voice, which is going to be the brand identity. You can go ahead and start by selecting the language. Then either you are going to upload a file to get here the AI how the or explain for the AI the vision of your goal or the vision that you are going to see after you have created this ebook. So it will understand well where this ebook is going to have the let's say the positive things, and also what is the reach for the audience, and also the quality of the work. And also we can go ahead and enter a URL for a ebook or an article, or paste a text. Also, you can go ahead and type in here a text, for example. Then let's say that you have set up the brand voice. So you can go ahead and set up the topic. What is the topic of the ebook? So you are going to choose a title or a topic for that ebook. And then you're going to select or type in here the target or targeted audience. So you are going to here mention who are you going to target. For example, kids. I don't know, here a playbook for kids, or an ebook on let's say here, money seekers, for example, if they are going to learn how to make money online, for example, or let's say that we are going to put a an ebook for doctors or psychologists. I don't know. Here are going to mention or tag the audience in here. When you have finished the audience, you're going to set up here the key message that you want to convey, and that is going to see or set up the goal of that ebook. So, what is the end of that ebook is going to lead? For example, in conclusion of that ebook, what is going to have the, let's say, the mind of the reader is going to gain? So, for example, if it is going to have here the aspect of financial, let's say, freedom. For example, you're going to create an ebook for how we can make money, or how are we going to, let's say, depend on our own. If you're going to set up a motivational ebooks and etc., the goal is going to be the first thing that you're going to create or base your ebook for. So let's go ahead and start the creation for the ebook. Now we are going to select the brand voice. So you're going to text here. As you can see, we have a tip. Provide a writing sample so Jasper can write like you. So I'm going to type in here, for example, the name of that. So we're going to type in Jack's, let's say here, tone or Jack's style. And then we are going to write in a sample. So for example, you best used for select here a tag, email, ebook, for example, and we are going to type in here the simple content. So we are going to type in, you can, we are human. For example, we can make the decision of depending on our, let's say here, financial, uh, financial, let's say status, and on our financial, let's say, needs, for example, or something like that. So financial gains. So this is just here too short. We can go ahead and write in up to 1,000. So I'm going to have here the help of ChatGPT. For example, write me an ebook, for here about making money. For example, this is something that I'm going to get the help of ChatGPT. So as you can see, we have here an example on ChatGPT. I'm going to paste it in here. So we are going to have it at least just like that. I'm going to make the brand voice public to workspace. I'm going to create here the example. So it is going to understand how it is going to write, detect the tone, everything is here. So we have it. Now, the next thing is going to be the topic. What is the topic of your ebook? For example, here, how to make money. So we are going to type in here online. We are going to click on next. What is the target audience? Young, for example, young, and let's say young people, for example, just like that. So I'm going to see here, we have some, as you can see, quick picks, online business owners for looking to expand, aspiring entrepreneurs, young people, or let's say here, jobless youngster. Not youngster, but it is going to be exaggerated. Here, let's say jobless people, for example. Then you are going to click on here. Key message. What is the key messages that you want to convey? We are going to generate here a response. So I'm going to get the help here because I cannot do that. You can add some more information about the, for example, chapter breakdown, case studies, and etc. If you want. I'm going to click on generate now. And we are going to see that the ebook outline is going to be created just like that. So we have the chapters and everything is detailed. So the generating is very fast, very professional, and also suggested. So you can see here that we have a full ebook. So we have the chapters and we have everything, the description and the as you can see here, everything. So we are going to see here description, a title, description, define how affiliate marketing. These are going to be let's say here the outlines. So we can go ahead and validate the brand. I'm not going to validate the brand guidelines yet, but I'm going to let it as it is. Now, where we're going to create here, as you can see, is the book or ebook outline. So we have set up here the content. So we can go ahead and add here some continue writing, for example, or add an image, expand on the first chapter. So we are going to expand here. I'm going to on the chapter chapter 4. So as you can see, this is just going to be everything. So it is going to have here the let's say subtitles and the titles, as you can see. So you are going to have here the title, which is going to be the same. So I'm going to basically uh, delete that, and we are going to see every point here and details. So you are going to see everything. So for the online courses, so you can go ahead and expand each one of the elements just like that. And this is how we can create an ebook. Basically, this is going to structure up the ebook. And what can you do is to expand, click on expand on the chapter or correct it. For example, the first chapter. And then you're going to put it in here. So you are going to see everything from here. So you are going to put them away. So you are going to delete the unnecessary parts and let only the necessary parts. When you have finished everything, you can go ahead and remix, put some chat or chat with the AI that you want to add something, for example, or enhance, generate idea for something else. You can get here some suggestions and etc. Make sure that you are going to add here as some, let's say, expanding for each one of the chapters, and you can go ahead and continue writing. For example, here, as you can see, it is going to have in details by clicking on continue. For example, here, you can go ahead and set or Jasper, make it go in depth with the subject, for example, and everything. Then you're going to understand everything just by clicking on the plus, then tell Jasper what to write here. So you are going to, for example, detail each, for example, each one of the chapter 5, let's say here, descriptions, descriptions, and you're going to wait for Jasper for setting up everything. So here, as you can see, everything is going to be in order. So basically that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.